ToSum basically gives you a list of integers and a target sum. So given any two integers, let's say 2 and 7, if the sum of those gives us 9, we must be returning their indices. So in this case, it is 0 and 1 over here. So let's have a walkthrough over here. So you can find that in this case, we're using a hash map. We're iterating through through the integers like the array, and then we're finding the difference between the target and the number. So the target over here is 9. So target, and then each number like 2, 7, 11, and 15. We're finding the difference and storing in the hash map. So let's go through it one by one. So initially we're giving 2, 7, 11, and 15. So we initialize the hash map, remap, and we try to iterate over each indices. In this case, we have the first number 2 over here. So I is nothing but 0 and n is nothing but 2 over here. So we find the difference, target and the number. So 9 minus 2, 7. Then we try to check whether we have anything in the hash map. In this case, we didn't store anything in the hash map, so it's empty over here. Then since it's empty, we directly try to store it into the hash map. So we store that number into 2 in the hash map. We try to do this again and again. So we go to the next number, we find the target minus the current iteration number. So 7. So 9 minus 7 is nothing but 2. But we find that while checking, we actually found that 2 was already there in the hash map. So what we try to do is, since it is already present in the hash map, we find that it has matched, and we try to return the indices of those two numbers.